Can you believe it? Conscious Leaders has turned 2 years old. You know, when I started this journey, I think Conscious Leaders has played such an instrumental role in helping me through the most difficult time in my life, where I did not have the confidence. I mean, there was a time that I didn't even want to do podcasts anymore, where I just didn't want to be in the public domain anymore, where I just wanted to disappear. I was just like looking at the world and I was like, I don't know if I belong here. I don't know if I fit in. And it has been one of the most extraordinary journeys starting Conscious Leaders, because in that I have found my belonging, and you all have made me feel like I belong. And through me feeling like I belong, so many of you have come onto this journey. Some of you are teaching, some of you are actively participating, encouraging in our communities. You are doing your work in your spaces, helping with the by word of mouth for the growth of this community, getting people in front of me to have conversations that can inspire you so that you can learn from them, but also helping to elevate these women's voices and their expertise. And I have to tell you, I'm so excited for what lies ahead, because the impact that this has by elevating a woman's voice, by teaching something that you know, can lift another woman up. Last year we did all of these workshops where women came in and did coaching, and they were how to be a best performer, how to build your confidence, how to get over imposter syndrome. So many workshops that was delivered by this community of women that volunteered their time and empowered a group of women. But little do they know how they have empowered me to step into my power. And so in this journey, it's not me being better, not you being better, but we're all in different seasons. And in these different seasons, we show up differently, but being there for each other as we grow and master ourselves, so that our great work can be born, and so that we can go out in the world and build that better future. We are nation builders, and nation builders requires of us to build something that has everybody in mind. And so I just want to say thank you so much. And you know what we've achieved, by the way, is incredible. We are a community of over 10,000 women and change agents. We have delivered program hours and verified hours of 16,000 hours in the past 2 years. Think about how much that is. We have potentially reach 1.7 million educational hours through public engagement and the public hours that and building the community and building it on the various public platforms. And more importantly, we've done a total of 400 coaching hours. And this community is just going strength to strength. And my hope is that the world can see the power of women coming together, but also the power of South African women. I believe that South African women, people should really pay attention, because we've got such incredible talent in this country, incredible women, incredible wisdom. And through their hardships and their journeys, what they bring forth in their leadership and their hearts and their forgiveness and how they've risen up, that to me is inspiring. And that is something that we need to look up to, and the communities that they have built. And I just want to celebrate these women. And I hope if you're from another country, if you are looking and listening in, I know that we reach over 83 countries by now, that these women are incredible women, and your support in liking, sharing, reaching out to them, having a virtual cup of coffee, maybe something beautiful can be born through two beautiful exchanges from across the world. So thank you for joining us on this journey and inspiring us to do more. Thank you.